Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Emily Wants to Play. Your goal is to survive until 6 a.m. First, find the flashlight, which is crucial for navigating the dark house. The initial hour is a good time to familiarize yourself with the layout. When Kiki appears, you will hear a giggle, quickly locate her, and stare directly at her for about 15 seconds until she disappears to avoid a jump scare. Next, you will encounter Mr. Tatters and Chester. When Mr. Tatters laughs, you must immediately freeze in place and remain absolutely still until he sighs and vanishes. If Chester laughs, he will chase you. Your only option is to quickly run into an adjacent room to escape him. When multiple dolls are active, prioritize their specific rules to survive. Later, Emily herself joins the game, initiating a round of hide-and-seek. All lights will turn off, and a 75-second timer will appear. You must find Emily within this time. A key strategy is to locate her, but do not immediately approach. Instead, wait until the timer counts down to about 5 to 10 seconds before touching her to reset it, minimizing the number of times you need to find her. The final hour is the most challenging, as all three dolls and Emily are active simultaneously, with a 90-second timer. You must continue finding Emily while also adhering to the rules for Kiki, Mr. Tatters, and Chester. Once you successfully survive this intense period, the front door will unlock, allowing you to finally escape the house and complete the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.